Here.
Okay.
Hey, let me unbox it. It's a savage. It's a savage.
Hold on, let me show the camera. Close, get over, closer.
Okay, so
Get over here, put it over here.
it's not going. So here it is. This is the box of Savage from Transformers. Well, I took and then here is the blue one. Here's a orange and black one right here. And then hopefully we get the blue one, or we really want the blue one.
Yeah, I think the blue one looks better.
Yeah. First, we're going to that's it. Turn it around. Yeah.
Here's the back of the box.
Unbox it. Unbox it. Well,
The box, back of the box.
and we're gonna open it.
Oh, I got the choice.
Here's the controller. Well, it could transform, I guess. And then right here, here it comes. Hold on, yeah, I got it. Here it comes. The big Camaro is it's hard. It's cut off.
Oh, I can see him. You got the orange one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Which one are we gonna get?
yeah.
And we get the. Okay, move the box, please.
Got the orange.
Get. Cut. Here it goes. I'll box it. And we get
The orange one.
orange and black one.
No. You transform it like you.
Don't do it! Okay. So we're gonna have to. Right here, it has a battery that we're gonna charge. So I'm gonna go charge it right now. Here's a look at. You can cut me on the car. This is how it looks like. Here's the little battery. Here's the battery. Yeah. Here's the charger.
It's also here for the camera.
And then look. You plug it in like this. We're gonna charge it for a little. And
we'll get back with you guys.
and then watch for the next episode of us using it.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.